New technologies have been driving the woodworking industry for the past several decades. Some of those technologies are rapidly changing the way we manufacture furniture, cabinets, millwork, and fixtures. This year at the AWFS show in Las Vegas, we asked a number of key suppliers to share their thoughts about the opportunities they see for their companies to bring new technologies to the woodworking industry. Here's what they had to say.
We are stimulating all our customers to think how they can work without or with less people in front of the machine.
Our sales representatives, they are the eyes and ears of our company. They're in the field, they're very active. Our culture is such that we want them mixing it up in the sawdust, so to say, with the customers.
CROs is a high-tech company. We're all about bringing automation to the industry, so kind of everything we do is bringing technology to the industry, but specifically we're looking a lot at material handling solutions and kind of the whole industry 4.0.
We're a power tool company, and most people don't expect technology with something you use in your hand. You expect it to be in a machine. Well, we've just introduced a new machine that's a portable edge bander that uses technology that's quite unique to edge banding itself. It uses a digital readout and it uses glue pucks.
For Freud, it's all about premium position, premium brand, premium quality at the end user level, and making run times longer, and really saving you more money, and being the most cost efficient product at the end of the day.
Being a European manufacturer with an Asian manufacturing ownership or Asian ownership gives us the best of both worlds. It allows us to bring high-tech machines at a reasonable cost to the industry.
We're in a business that's moving technologically. It's going from traditional woodworking methods to modern high-tech woodworking methods. That means people are going to need software to drive their CNC equipment. We're right in the middle of that.
Making technology user-friendly. Even though we are in 2015, there's still a lot of cabinet makers who are very afraid of the technology.
The greatest opportunity that we have is how we will work in conjunction with, first of all, manufacturers, wood products manufacturers, and then the machinery people that serve them, and taking our part, which is the tooling, and all of those things working together.
With such a large installed base for our existing customers, we're continuing to develop more features and functionality for their needs, getting their feedback to see what kind of pain points within their business that we can solve from a technological standpoint.
This morning we found out that we won a Visionary Award for an app that we've developed, and what we've done with this app is kind of married our years of experience and technology in the industry with technology that is available to everybody, kind of at their fingertips.
Our directive here is to try to change the industry a little bit and be better at the service end and help that customer get to the next level, not only with their staff, but the machines and their business.
I see that's our responsibility to educate not only our staff, but educate our customers that there's more technology for the items that they purchased.
Our corporate mission is to invest in new technologies, invest in innovation. So our corporate message to the market is really, let's go out there and invest in new things.
We are not your standard machine delivery manufacturer. We are probably more engineering driven. We take a lot of our North American customers, for example, to Europe on a very regular basis on technology tours, but also on individual trips, and we try to show them what is out there.
We just introduced a camera view for our tools. We've also introduced some spindle vibration technology, which will again prevent producing bad product.
Our products are superior, and it's something we take a lot of pride in. Right? We collect and remove dust out of the atmosphere.
At the end of the day, we almost always get 100% of the promised orders out. And 80% of the orders we receive on any given day are shipped that day, even if they're not made.
The greatest impact we can have using modern technology in the woodworking industry is our new process of peeling the whole log and creating what we call Balbuca, which is construction beech in German.
We are extremely vertically integrated, starting from the foundries up to the assembly lines. So we need to use technology to do our product at the best, and we so understand very well what it means down at the end of the line for our customers.
The machine technology portion of it is bringing new and innovative machines, fast changeover. The material handling is speed of process and flow throughout the shop. And then the integration management part is, some software-related system that allows, from the order inflow to the product exiting the door, a complete and total management system.
Nowadays, everybody's connected. Everybody wants to know what's going on around them 24/7. And some of these technologies I think are the future for our company, because they're going to be, it's kind of like a leap forward to that integration.
In an ever-changing world, it's important for our industry to have access to American manufacturers that are bringing leading-edge equipment to the industry.
We're known as the grinding experts, our grinding side, so our biggest opportunity currently with technology, I would say, is in automating molder knife grinding.
In terms of leveraging and delivering technology, we focus mostly on those digital channels that allow us to deliver training, information, and support to the end-use customer.
They're starting to incorporate non-wood products into their manufacturing, acrylics, other types of materials that are not wood-based. So we have been working with our suppliers and with our parent company as well on changing geometries and tooling to make it more innovative for those types of situations.
We're introducing a new series of products. They're called the Paperless Shop products. There are 3 tablet apps, and the tablet PC is really what's making this viable for the industry.
Stiles Machinery has the unique opportunity to bring technology to this industry through the use of their 5 showrooms. We maintain these showrooms as a kind of a working laboratory for people, for them to come in and experience the technology, to sort of challenge the innovation before they actually have to make an investment.
We're going to see manufacturing spreading out. They're going to surface a much smaller local market. Energy costs are going to come back up, and they are going to be competitive, but they're only going to be competitive if they think about themselves in the global economy.
We're looking for energy improvement in all areas of manufacturing. We're looking at automated to reduce our soft tissue injuries to our hourly workers. So basically, what we're working on is automating some of those redundant practices.
The millennials are starting to drive this industry today as they become the dominant buyers in the industry. So we're having to look for ways to cut out certain raw materials, make sure we're staying ahead of the game there, always doing more forward thinking with our developments.
The greatest opportunity for us is having customers recognizing the value of being environmentally aware.